Teens now have a clear choice for braces. If right for your teeth, nearly invisible braces are possible with clear aligners. Creating your aligners. At your initial appointment, we'll take radiographs of your teeth and jaw, photos of your smile, and impressions of your teeth. Then, at your consultation appointment, we'll discuss treatment options. When the lab receives your treatment plan, a digitized 3D model is created and personalized aligners will be fabricated. Each set is designed to gradually move your teeth into their proper positions. You'll receive a sequence of aligners designed to move your teeth through each stage of treatment. The aligners may have a power ridge that puts extra force on certain teeth. This will be placed on the tooth with tooth-colored material that locks the tray in place to encourage tooth and root movement. You'll wear each set of aligners for about 2 weeks and then replace them with the next set in the series. Treatment time varies, but most people receive 12 to 48 sets. Easy to wear. With no metal, the aligners are more comfortable than traditional braces. They can be taken out for eating, drinking, brushing, and flossing. You can wear them while playing sports or playing brass or wind instruments. With nearly invisible aligners, teens don't have to be self-conscious about wearing metal braces. But remember to wear them almost 24 hours a day. After the series of aligners are finished, your dentist or orthodontist will determine if more aligners are needed, or if you can transition into retainers that will be worn at night to maintain the teeth's alignment. Clear aligners can be an easy way to get a straight, healthy smile, and a healthy smile can last a lifetime.